never curled her lip.
Shh. Don't cut it off, but that's from the behaviorist viewpoint. And I want you to, where people go wrong and where you would go wrong and why you're doing the right thing is you're not doing anything, but what you need to do, she's looking for something. What you would need to want to be is, oh, look at me, I got the treats. In that dynamic. Rather than with him, he's kind of looking for your reinforcement. Come on, let's go on a nature walk.
With Pete?
All of them.
But I mean, I don't know what I did wrong other than I kept trying to get away.
You didn't do anything wrong. Oh, no,
well, you said I
by doing, well,
his
yes,
behavior.
anything you did. You moved around and he's coming to you, by your dodging, he's saying, what is my counteraction to her moving? If we all just kind of stand in the pack, you know, you see how that one just stands there, just stands. All right, get on this little shepherd. Callie! Callie! Good girl! Yay! Callie! She's eating a lot. Yay! Here, eat this instead!
That was my other Weimaranner's name, Callie.
It was? The one before? Oh, I love Ricky more than I've ever loved any Weimaranner. She's the best one ever.
She's smart.
She's got to have that collar though, girl. I mean, she is a little bundle of energy.
Yeah.
And we have to make sure.
I've never had a hyper one.
She's a special dog, very special little dog.
Bred to just go and go
I
and
know,
go. I
but
mean,
I've never had
they bred them
one
for that. You know what I mean?
I've never
So it's
had
no
one.
surprise to me. All right, come on, let's go. This is an exciting adventure. Let's go. The lawn
going
people
to the lake?
on the show. We can't stand the lawn people. They're so annoying, and then whatever. So then they were late. And they said, we're coming at 8:30. And I said, good, you'll be gone. I'll get my client to come a little later. Show us. All right, your job is to not have any reaction. If you could even practice doing that, because he's bringing it on himself. Do you see how his actions are causing them to notice him? They're not doing it to her. But you see what happens? He comes and looks up at you. He's not sure what your role is. He knows it's something though.
I mean, at home, he
See,
wants
these
me
two
to
are the
pick
same
them up.
age. Look, get that, Summer. I'm gonna tell you what she's doing. Her little lip growl again. Well, but there's no such thing as never. We have a saying that says never say never in a statement involving a dog, because as soon as you do that. I'm speaking from many years of experience, girl. I never say never.
You can't now.
Come on, Bob.
Because she feels insecure, but we don't want that to be her tool to deal with insecurity. So we're just not having any reaction at this point. We're more just observing, but what we're observing we don't like. She's doing a very good job out of it.
Your leg's up.
Yeah.
Way
It's
up.
quite the monsoon. Oh, those fish have got to have it made now. Surely all kinds of food
They
floated
would
in
love
there.
getting in the grasses, too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. All the babies can hide in this. So what I'm looking for with that little shepherd is a clear sky. Brooke's going to love all this. Now, her ears, matching. Oh, everything's like that. Ellie! Good girl. Yay! 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 So now 4 times I caused it with the pager to run. That's my job. Anthrax remain uninhibited. Like some of these bushes, like 5 times bigger than the last time somebody was suspicious. George is coming out. We'll get George to come. Listen, because that girl from the Bahamas is coming Tuesday.
Right.
So I thought she was coming Wednesday, but she's flying out Wednesday. She has to pick the dog up by. She has to pick the dog up Wednesday. Fly out early that morning.
Right.
All kind of stuff in the bushes. In fact, jockey around ahead of us, Summer. Jockey around and get over that way. What is she falling in? Falling in the pool over there.
Doesn't learn. She's not housebroken.
Not housebroken. No, it falls in the pool, but
Oh,
what?
I was. She's good swimmer. Because I go in with her trying to teach her where the steps are.
Yeah. So
She's a good swimmer. No, not at all. Very calm.
How does she fall in? Are you sure it's not on purpose?
Well, she'll back in like that.
Oh, okay. I see.
She just is not sure.
Well, but she's so young.
Well, Pete showed Briggy once where the steps were. Never had to show her again.
I'll keep going now. I want my little bit.
Oh, right.
I hear something in the bushes. Oh my God. All right, get on this shepherd. No, forget about him. Callie! Callie! Good girl. Good. I got her. I had to uber heighten the reality. And she's not interested in these treats, which I'm going to tell you guys right now, because of that, I'm not going to call her again. This way. Let's come this way. See that big gas in there? They swim, didn't you? I've got a couple movies on my YouTube of swimming Great Danes. Did you see those?
Yeah, I did. Ooh, she got in the ass big time.
Oh, no.
Come here.
We're going to have to get some Andrew.
Yesterday, she stuck her nose right in an ant bed and left it there.
She's just a toddler girl.
Maybe we should move from this, get away from this spot.
I think we've got Andrew in there somewhere.
Yeah,
Yeah. All right, so now I got to redeem myself with this little shepherd.
Uh-oh, she's in.
All right, don't panic, girl. Don't panic.
Yeah, she's
Get that.
She loves it.
I was just getting ready to go.
Mama's getting all nervous and
Oh no, knee-jerk reaction.
she's like, no, she's look at her, she's getting loosening up.
I mean, look how big the pond is now. The bulldog, he doesn't realize how much farther he's swimming.
Dog's like, look at me.
Oh no,
This dog already hoops bigger than Ginger.
I mean, were you not prepared for that?
But not at this age. But she's eating. She eats 6 cups of food a day.
Whoops.
Yeah, she eats like a horse.
Get on this side.
Without you.
Imagine that.
So you don't realize how closely they watch you.
Yeah, 8 years old.
But if we change her color, I mean, it'd be hard to tell them apart. Let's put it that way. Believe me, they're the same individual. Look, she went cute over there. Evil little dog. Look at her. Oh no. But, no, it's right behind you. The dog isn't lost. All right, guys, we're going to be right back. I'm going to have Summer bring Brittany and Rocco out, and we'll have a little
Reunion.
Family reunion.